Hey collectors, welcome to the channel Collect with me. Sports car lovers, racing enthusiasts, and Hot Wheel collectors. Today's video is gonna be something really special because today we are gonna take a look at the most beautiful and the most aggressive racing machine ever built by Aston Martin. So here it is, the 2024 Aston Martin Vantage GT3. The moment you see this casting, you immediately notice its racing DNA. Hot Wheels has done an incredible job bringing this race car into 1:64 scale. With its wide and muscular stance, aggressive front splitter, sleek aerodynamic body, massive rear wing, and race-inspired wheels, every single detail screams pure performance. Now here's the interesting fact about the real car. The Aston Martin 2024 Vantage GT3 was developed as the next generation's GT race cars, replacing its previous GT3 version after years of success on the racetracks around the world. Built to compete in some of the toughest racing championships, this car was engineered with one goal in the mind: win races. Every vent, every wing, and every body panel on this machine has been designed to improve the airflow and maximize downforce, making it a true weapon on the track. This casting captures the racing spirit beautifully. Whether you are a Aston Martin fan, a racing enthusiast, or someone who simply loves collecting premium looking Hot Wheels, this is definitely a model worth adding to your collection. Now it's your turn, as usual. Rate this car from 1 to 10 and tell me in the comments, would you keep this beauty sealed or open it? See you guys soon in the next video. Till then, stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. Who knows, next car could be your dream collectible.